In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check saved drafts on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then just hit at that plus sign, and if you want to find your post drafts, just hit right here next to recents where it says drafts, and that will show you all your posts drafts. If you want to search for your story drafts, again hit at plus sign and then switch it to story. That will open up story camera. Then tap at this camera roll icon, and that's where you can easily find that draft just next to camera icon. You can tap on it to see all story drafts, and the same about reels. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.